Class 12, this is sums on elasticity of supply. So elasticity of supply sums. Number 1, if an increase in price of a ball pen from rupees 40 to 50 results in increase in quantity supplied from 1000 to 1500, what is elasticity of supply? So first of all, we have to write out the things which are given, and then we will apply the formula. So the price of the pen increases from rupees 40 to 50. So the initial price, you can name it as P1, which is equal to rupees 40, and the price rose. So the final price resulted in, let's name it P2, rupees 50. And the initial quantity supplied equal to 1000 units of a product, and final quantity, because the price have increased, so the quantity supplied the producer in order to take the benefit of profit earning also have increased. So how to measure elasticity? So elasticity's formula is change in the quantity by original into 100 divided by change in price by original price into 100. So this 100 got cancelled. So we can also write change in quantity by Q into P by change in price, and more organized way we can present it like this. So you can directly write this formula also when you are doing this type of sum. Now, what is the change in the quantity? We can find the change by subtracting the final quantity and the initial quantity. The difference between final and initial gives the change. So 1500 minus 1000 is 500. So now we will just put the value divided by what is the change in price. Change in price is 50 minus 40. 10 is the change in price, rupees 10 is the change in price, into original price, that is rupees 40, by original quantity was 1000. So if we calculate, we will get the value of elasticity. So 0, 0, 0 got cancelled. So now we have 5 4s are 20 by 10, that makes it 2. So elasticity value is 2, means the value of elasticity becoming 2, it means that elasticity is greater than 1. That means if you need to write the conclusion, what is the elasticity? That means the ball points, the supply of ball points are fairly elastic enough, because when E value or elasticity value is greater than 1, we call that the supply is elastic. So the supply of ballpoint pen over here is quite elastic. Now this is second question. The price of a commodity is rupees 10 per unit. Per unit means per piece. The price is 10 rupees, and when the price is rupees 10, the quantity supplied, I have written short form QS, means the quantity supplied is 500 units. Now price fall happens by 10%. So the percentage fall in price is given to you. Quantity supplied falls to 400. And when the price fall takes place, the quantity supplied also falls, because the producer doesn't find it profitable to supply it then. Calculate the price elasticity of supply. So first we are going to the formula, that is elasticity will be equal to change in the quantity supplied by original quantity into 100 divided by change in price by original price into 100. Now check one thing, that you have the original price given. Check this side. This is the total percentage change in price. Now what is the price per unit is given, that means original price is given. But change in price, can you calculate? No, because for that you need the final price. So suppose from 10 it became 20, so you need both the prices, initial and the final. But the final price is not given over here. But what is given? The entire percentage drop in price is given. Now this entire thing can be replaced by 10%, because this is actually, what is the meaning of elasticity? Percentage change in quantity. So we are writing the mathematical formula, and percentage change in price is written down. So this is a mathematical formula, percentage change. If we know the entire thing, its value is already given 10%, then what's the need of the final price to measure the change? We don't need, and we don't are required to find out, rather we are given with the value. But quantity change, see, we have the original units, initial and the final units. So we here need to find the quantity change. How we will do it? The change means 500 minus 400, the difference between the two quantities. By originally it was 500 into 100. So we need to know these two values to find the change, the initial and the final. And then only we can put the initial value over here, and we can find the percentage change in quantity ourselves. But here, since one of the value was not given, it is difficult to find. Rupee 10 was given just to confuse you, that one or initial price is only revealed in front of you. So instead of writing this, we will totally write 10% divided by, you know, percentage change in price is 10%. So this will be 100 by 500 into 100. The entire thing will be in percentage by 10%. So 0 zeros got cancelled, 5 20s. So on top you have 20% and down you have 10%. If you cancel percentage sign, zeros will get cancelled. Here also the elasticity value is 2. It is also giving 2 as the elasticity. That means you can call that elasticity is greater than 1. Any value greater than 1 shows that it is fairly elastic, or this commodity that is in question, it is having elastic supply. That means supply is adjustable to price change.